The future of air dominance just took flight. Sixth-generation fighter, AI-powered, stealth-enabled. Boeing's F-47, a sixth-generation fighter redefining the battlefield under the Next-Generation Air Dominance Program, a symbol of American resurgence, named in honor of the 47th president. F-47 flying alongside sleek autonomous drones. The F-47 commands AI drone wingmen, jamming radars, scouting terrain, taking fire, striking with precision. This is no ordinary jet. It's a force multiplier, a $20 billion leap into sixth-gen warfare. The F-47 is here. History is being written in the skies.